How to download threads from Instagram. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to download threads from Instagram. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, you just need to head over to your Play Store, App Store, depending on what device you have, and click on that. And from in there, just click on the search icon and search for Threads Instagram right here. After you click on Threads Instagram, you will see this app right here. So if you can see an install button, then just click on install. But if you can see an open button, then just means that you have already downloaded and installed Threads. So since I already downloaded my Threads, I can just click on open right here. And this will open my Threads. So usually it will open up in window that will ask you to merge your Instagram account to your Threads account when you sign up. So just click on that and you should be able to see this Threads home right here. And when you head over to your profile, you can see that my account is synced to my actual Instagram account. And when you click on this, you will actually head over to Instagram. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you how to download Threads from Instagram. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!